Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Ruby, and today we are continuing our journey through the fascinating world of intelligence theories. So far we have covered the unitary theory, and today we are diving into the anarchic theory of intelligence, also known as the multifactor theory. This is our 15th class in our educational psychology series. And if you have missed any of the earlier ones, you can find the links in the description below. Or check out the playlist titled Educational Psychology. In this video, we will break down the idea that intelligence is not just one single ability, but rather a combination of multiple independent skills. I'll explain everything in simple terms, so by the end of this video, you will understand how this theory applies to education and everyday life. Before we start, if you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. Now let us start. Edward L. Thorndike, a renowned psychologist, introduced the anarchic theory of intelligence, more commonly known as the multifactor theory, around 1920. This theory marks a significant shift from the traditional understanding of intelligence as a single unified entity. According to Thorndike, intelligence is not a single mental capability, but rather a combination of multiple independent factors. Each of these factors represent different cognitive abilities, such as verbal reasoning, mathematical skills, memory, spatial reasoning, and motor skills. Thorndike emphasized that each of these abilities operate independently, which means excelling in one area does not necessarily mean excelling in another. For example, a person might have excellent verbal skills, but average mental abilities, and this would be perfectly normal under the multifactor theory. This theory was revolutionary because it rejected the idea that intelligence could be measured through a single general intelligence, or the G factor, as earlier theories have suggested. Instead, Thorndike believed that a person's ability to solve problems depends on which cognitive skills are required for the task at hand. To understand this better, imagine your brain as a toolbox filled with different tools. Each tool represents a specific skill, like reasoning, memory, or spatial awareness. When you encounter a task, you select the appropriate tool for that job. For example, solving a math problem might require logical reasoning, while creating a piece of art may need spatial awareness. What is important about this theory is the idea that intelligence is a diverse and multifaceted concept. Thorndike's theory explains why some people might excel in creative tasks but struggle with analytical ones, or why others are good at solving puzzles but may not be strong in verbal reasoning. Thorndike's view also implies that intelligence cannot be accurately measured by a single test. Since there are many factors involved, different types of tests are needed to assess various abilities, whether it's verbal, mathematical, or physical skills. Now, let us talk about the educational implications of Thorndike's multifactor theory and how understanding this can impact both teaching and learning in the classroom. Point number 1, personalized learning approaches. The multifactor theory highlights the need for education to be more individualized. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, teachers can tailor learning experiences to match the specific strengths and weakness of each student. For example, a student strong in verbal reasoning might benefit from debate and writing tasks, while another with good spatial skills could excel in activities like art or geometry. Point number 2, differentiated instruction. Because intelligence consists of various independent skills, educators can use differentiated instruction. This means creating multiple types of activities that allow students to showcase their unique abilities. This could involve using visual aids, hands-on projects, or group discussions in the classroom to ensure every type of learner has an opportunity to succeed. Point number 3, skill-specific testing. Assessment should focus on evaluating individual skills rather than relying on a single general intelligence test. For example, testing for logical reasoning, spatial skills, or verbal fluency separately provides a more accurate picture of a student's abilities. This allows teachers to understand specific areas where a student may need support. Next, encouraging collaboration. Students with different strengths could be encouraged to work together in group projects. This helps them appreciate each other's unique abilities and learn through collaboration. A student who excels in math can learn from one who is stronger in language arts, promoting teamwork and social learning. Next, recognizing multiple forms of intelligence. Schools should celebrate and recognize achievements in a variety of domains. Not all students will excel academically, but they might shine in sports, arts, or practical skills. By recognizing these diverse abilities, we can help build students' self-confidence and encourage them to pursue their strengths. Point number 6, flexible curriculum design. A curriculum that is flexible and allows students to explore different subjects helps them discover where their true talents lie. It reduces pressure on students to conform to traditional academic strengths and promotes a more holistic view of education, where success can be achieved in multiple forms. So that was all on today's class on the anarchic theory of intelligence. I hope you liked the video. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions regarding this theory. Also let me know if you want me to cover any specific topic on education for the upcoming classes. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class.